Okay, let's look at the homework 10.1, 10.2, problem number 7. All right, so we have this sequence given, and we want to find the 5th term and the 6th term. All right, so and also the nth term. So let's do that. All right, so we just have to figure out a pattern. So it says that it's a geometric series. So every time you go to a next term, it's multiplied by a certain number. All right, so you can see that here. 16 to 4, so it looks like it's multiplied by 1/4, right? And here multiplied by 1/4, right? So which means that this is A1, this is A2, and A3, A4, right? So next term would be 1/4 times 1/4, so it's going to be 1/16. Right, so it's going to be 1/16 here. All right, so this is A5 and A6. It's just 1/16 times 1/4, so it's going to be 1/64. All right, so 1/64. All right. Then we want to figure out a pattern, right? So if you write it out, so we have let's see, so A1 is 16, and A2 is 16 times 1/4, right? And A3 is equal to 16 times 1/4 squared, and A4 is 16 times 1/4 cubed. And we see a pattern here. All right, to make it look easier to see the pattern, so I'll put 1 here because it's the same thing. And also, if you put the 1/4 to the 0th power, which is 1 anyway, so if it's exactly the pattern here, so everyone seems to have 16 there, so that seems like a fixed, and everyone seems to have 1/4. Then power is different. If it's 1, 0. If its index is 2, 1. If index is 3, 2. Index 4, 3. If index is n, of course, it's a 1 less, so n minus 1. Right? So an is 16 times 1/4 to the n minus 1 power. Right? Let's type it in. Alright, so answer we got was 1/16 for that one, and a 1/64. And this was 16 times 1/4. Oops, that's not what I want. And let's see, 1/4. Raise it to the n minus 1 power. Right? Let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.